Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to our first English grammar class. Today, we are starting with the foundation of grammar, parts of speech. Now, every word in English belongs to a category, and that category is called a part of speech. Without these, we cannot form proper sentences. There are 8 main parts of speech. These 8 are the building blocks of English. First, we'll see the list, then we'll explain each one step by step with examples. Let us see the 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These 8 are the building blocks of English. If you understand them well, every sentence will make sense. First, let us see noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: teacher, school, book, car, mango, happiness, honesty.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. The boy is playing football. Here, boy and football are nouns. Sentence 2. India is a large country. The word India is a noun. Sentence 3. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is a noun. Sentence 4. My bag is on the chair. Both bag and chair are nouns.
Sir, is happiness also a noun? It's not a thing we can touch.
Excellent question. Yes, happiness is a noun because it is the name of a feeling. Nouns can be physical or abstract. All right, that was noun. Now let's move on to pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of repeating the noun again and again, we use pronouns. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, this, that, these, those.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. This is Justin. He is my friend. The word he is a pronoun.
It replaces the noun Justin. Justin, the noun, name of a person. He is the pronoun, used instead of repeating Justin.
Sentence 2. She is very intelligent. The word she replaces a girl's name. Sentence 3. They are playing cricket. The word they replaces many boys or girls. Sentence 4. This is my pen. That is yours. Here, this and that are pronouns.
Sir, then we and they are also pronouns?
Correct. Well done. Pronouns make sentences shorter and easier. Next one. Can anyone guess?
Next is verb, sir.
Very good. Yes, verb. A verb shows action or state of being. Examples: run, eat, sleep, jump, dance, is, am, are, was, were.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. She runs fast. Here, runs is a verb.
Because it shows the action she is doing.
Sentence 2. He is a student. The word is a verb of being. Sentence 3. We play football every day. The word play is a verb. Sentence 4. The baby sleeps quietly. The word sleeps is a verb.
Sir, what about is, as in she is a student? That's not an action.
Very good. Is also a verb, but it's a verb of being, not of action. So verbs can show both action and state.
Now, next one is adjective. Student, am I going fast?
No, sir.
All right, let's continue. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun.
Means an adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun. It tells what kind, how many, or what color a person, animal, place, or thing is.
Examples: tall, short, strong, weak, beautiful, clever, 5, many.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. He is a tall boy. The word tall describes the boy.
Means the word tall is an adjective because it tells us about the boy's height. It shows what kind of boy he is.
Sentence 2. She is a beautiful girl. The word beautiful describes the girl. Sentence 3. They live in a small house. The word small describes the house. Sentence 4. I have 3 pens. The word 3 is an adjective of number. Now let's see adverb. An adverb gives more meaning to a verb, adjective, or another adverb.
Means an adverb adds detail about how, when, where, how often, or to what degree an action or quality happens.
Examples: quickly, slowly, loudly, silently, very, to, always, and never.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. She sings beautifully. The word beautifully tells us how she sings. Sentence 2. He runs very fast. The words very and fast are adverbs. Sentence 3. She always comes on time. The word always tells frequency. Sentence 4. He speaks too loudly. The words too loudly are adverbs.
Sir, in he runs very fast, which are the adverbs?
Excellent. Both fast and very are adverbs. Fast tells how he runs, and very makes it stronger.
Next, preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between words. Examples: in, on, under, over, behind, between, with, from, to.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. The book is on the table. The word on is the preposition
because it shows the position of the book in relation to the table.
The cat is under the chair. The word under is the preposition. Sentence 3. The boy is between his parents. The word between is the preposition. Sentence 4. She came from Delhi. The word from is the preposition.
Sir, my homework is under the bed.
Good grammar, bad excuse. Seventh one, conjunction. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or sentences. Examples: and, but, or, because, although, since, if.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. I like tea and coffee. The word and joins 2 words. Sentence 2. He is poor but honest. The word but
joins two ideas. Sentence 3. Do you want tea or coffee? The word or shows choice. Sentence 4. I stayed home because it was raining. The word because joins reason.
Sir, can I say I like cricket, but I love sleeping?
Yes, correct usage, but don't sleep during my lecture. Finally, interjection. Interjection shows sudden feelings. Examples: wow, oh, ouch, hooray, alas, hey.
Let's see how it works in real sentences.
Sentence 1. Wow, that's amazing. The word wow is an interjection. Sentence 2. Ouch, that hurts. The word ouch is an interjection.
It is a short, sudden sound that people make when they feel pain.
Sentence 3. Hooray, we won the match.
It is a short, sudden sound that people shout to express happiness, joy, or excitement, especially when celebrating something good.
Sentence 4. Alas, he failed in the exam. The word alas shows sorrow. All right, students, now you tell me the parts of speech in these sentences. The sun is shining. She runs fast. They are happy. Wow, that's a beautiful flower.
Sir, in the first sentence, sun is a noun and is shining is the verb.
Very good, correct answer. Others, try the remaining ones. And my YouTube students, write your answers in the comment section. So today, we learned the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the foundation of English grammar. From now onwards, we'll study step by step. In our next class, we will begin with tenses, starting from the present tense.
Thank you, students. Keep practicing and see you in the next class.